It's April 2nd to be exact. Is it just me, or is a little squall passing through? Wow. I'm currently looking for owls, which is shocking, I'm sure. So far unsuccessfully. But man, it would be nice to find one because it's just absolutely dumping out here, as you can tell. And it's so pretty. And it's April. All right, I'm gonna keep looking. I actually kind of like this. I'll complain a little bit just for kind of the sake of the story, but I kind of like it. Well, the storm continues, but I found an owl. So if you look at the back of the screen here, I got a little video rolling of this owl in a blizzard. So I don't know what to do with this. It's like there's so much snow and it's blowing so hard. I clearly can't get any kind of decent footage here, but it's just fantastically beautiful out here. Just amazing snowstorm in April, and I'm happy to be out here just getting dumped on. This is great. So I'm just gonna make a couple of pictures, a couple of videos, and just see what happens out here. It might turn out to be like nothing decent at all, other than just being out in a beautiful snowstorm in the woods. It's great. Could you hear that? I hope you could. That was this owl calling for her mate, I presume. I haven't seen another owl around here yet, but that's definitely a territorial call. She's probably calling for her boyfriend. So this could be fun. Maybe another owl will show up. But it's still just dumping, obviously. Look at my camera's getting marginally covered with snow. But no great photos here yet. Just an owl kind of hiding in from the snow. But now that it started calling for its mate, maybe I'll get lucky and another owl will fly in. So I really got to keep my eyes like on all these trees and stuff all around me, because it could fly in and just sneak right up on me and I'd never see it. But anyway, I'm gonna put this camera down so I don't miss it. Ooh, here she goes. Shh. So I gotta move, put this camera away, and make sure I don't blow it if the other owl flies in and like brings her some food or something like that. Hee. Whew. All right, I'm out of here. That little black part of the screen, that's a bit of a problem. I think I did a number on my little vlogging camera here with all the snow. The snow has since stopped, but it was dumping. And I think I might have ruined my camera. I'll see if I can get it working again, get it thawed out. I hope it's okay. Looks like I gotta cross a little creek here. Here we go. All right, that was close. I almost went down. That would have been a problem. Anyway, yeah, my camera's not working very well, so. Anyway, I'm gonna hike the rest of the way back to the car, carrying the 600 that's still got a bunch of snow piled up on it back there. Yep, that was a good little spring storm. Kind of as I expected. Nothing really good came out of that photographically. It was too snowy, and then the owl was just kind of sitting there. But it was really fun to see that owl hooting, calling for its mate, its partner. And the mate never came back as long as I'm here. It's about sunset now, and it's just getting pretty dark and cold. But hopefully she finds her mate. I'm sure she will. So that was kind of the snowstorm was fun to see, and then her calling the mate was super fun to see as well and listen to. And no great photos though. So it was fun to be out here though, and shoot a little video, listen to an owl calling in the woods. I love it. So anyway, thanks for watching. This is probably a short little video today, without many good photos to show for it. Happens all the time. All right, take care. Good night. See ya.